Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing upcoming horror movies in 2020 that we can't wait for. 2020 has been a difficult year of the movie industry and many films have been pushed back to 2021. Being delayed indefinitely or in some cases released online, many horror films that were going to be released in 2020 will now get released in 2021. Escape Room 2, January 1. Directed by Insidious The Last Key director Adam Robitel, 2019's Escape Room was a psychosocial horror film revolving around 6 strangers, each the sole survivors of various disasters and accidents, who are each invited to participate in an escape room game riddled with mazes and puzzles, which they need to solve in order to survive. The Twisted Death game, organized by a game master, is revealed to be an annual arrangement where wealthy people are brought in to bet on the results of the game.
Excuse me, we'd like our hit now.
A Quiet Place Part 2, April 23, 2021. When The Office star John Krasinski directed and co-wrote a sci-fi horror film starring his own wife Emily Blunt in 2018, the movie was a surprise hit that was loved and praised by both critics and audiences all across the board for its unique concept and execution. A Quiet Place Part 2 will continue the story of Abbott family as they have to leave their home behind and venture out into the outside world after losing a loved one. Paranormal Activity 7, March 19. The found footage film technique is a niche in the horror genre, which was popularized by 1999 horror film The Blair Witch Project, one of the most successful independent films of all time. It inspired many other films as well, the mostly salient among them being Paranormal Activity, which was an even bigger hit, grossing more than $193 million against a budget of $215, made it one of the most profitable movies ever. The commercially success and popularity of the movie based a whole franchise, and the 7th installment is supposedly being released in March of 2021. The Conjuring, The Devil Made Me Do It. Directed by Saw and Fast and Furious 7 director James Wan, the first Conjuring film about paranormal investigators couple Ed and Lauren Warren was a major hit with critics and audiences who praised its atmosphere and writing. Not to mention, it was an immense box office success as well. The upcoming third film in the main trilogy, The Devil Made Me Do It, will focus on the murder trial of Anne Chan Johnson from 1981, in which a man confessed to committing murder while under demonic possession. Halloween Kills, 15th of October. Legendary horror director and composer John Carpenter has a whole roster of cult classics under his name, and 1978's Halloween is one of his and co-writer Deborah Hill's most celebrated ones, which fueled the massive popularity of slasher films throughout the 1980s. The 2018 film of the same name acted as a direct sequel to 1978's Halloween and retconned all other films in the franchise. And the upcoming Halloween Kills will feature the 11th appearance of the mass murderer Michael Myers until 2022, when he is set to return again for the sequel of Halloween Ends.
Will know the truth. I knew what.
Scream 5, 2021. Wes Craven in 1996 film Scream was one of the most iconic horror films of the 90s. A film that was praised for being a solid horror movie on its own merits, but also for being a burlesque representation of horror movie cliches that were popular around that time, which added a layer of uniqueness to it. Scream 5 can't come soon enough. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.